Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title is guys face lock data, how to delete it in Infinix phone. Friends, you want to delete your face lock data, so how to delete today friends I am going to show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, we have face lock, and once you don't want to use guys, you want to remove guys your face lock means guys you want to delete your face lock data. So how to delete? Open your phone setting. After on phone setting, then scroll it. Friends, click on guys your phone security setting. Security setting here. We will click here. Then guys you can see fingerprint setting. So friends, you want to set fingerprint. So guys you can set from here. Friends, click on your face unlock setting, and guys confirm your pattern. Use your device pattern to continue. So friends, you have any password, you have any pattern lock. So withdraw your pattern and enter your password. As you can see, face lock setting is this unlock face lock. So guys, your when you will off this, so guys you have face lock, but guys you cannot use on your lock screen. As you can see, so we will not delete face lock guys, we will delete from here guys. Delete face data guys, tap here. Friends, you can see delete. Yeah, delete face. Here we want to delete. And guys again guys, if you use, so friends you will have to show your face again. So at delete option, tap here. Friends, you can see face lock will delete on our phone, and guys we cannot use this face lock on our lock screen in Infinix mobile. So friends, you can draw your pattern to unlock your phone. And friends, you want to delete pattern lock, you don't want to use pattern lock also, so you can delete guys. Click on guys your security option, and friends click on screen lock, draw your pattern guys, and friends click on swipe option and remove it. So guys your face lock data will totally remove guys. You don't have, friends you want to use, so as you can see again guys you will have to set up first guys screen lock set, then guys you can set your face lock. So like that guys, we can delete face lock data on Infinix phone. So bye bye guys, we will meet in next video.